Today is January 16th. I am Vicky.
And I'm Rintaro.
And this is
Simon Says!
Here are some fun slating videos from last week. I hope you had fun.
Our theme this week is international students. The University of Alberta has over 40,000 students from 156 countries. Where are the students from the English language school from? Let's find out.
Hi, I'm Kurmiya Manirat. I'm from Thailand.
Hello, I'm Jie. I'm from Korea.
My name is Mingo. I'm Ray.
My name is Carrie. My name is Robert.
We are from China.
Hello, my name is Ahmed.
My name is Saud.
My name is Sagar.
My name is Abdullah. We are from Kuwait.
Hi, my name is Mursala and I'm from Afghanistan.
My name is Polina. I'm Anna.
My name is Alexandra.
I'm Solomia.
And we
Are from
Ukraine!
In the last few terms, we've had some students from Ukraine. So maybe some students from Ukraine might celebrate Orthodox New Year on January 14th. If you know a Ukrainian student, why don't you ask them, when do you celebrate New Year's? If you are celebrating Lunar New Year on January 22nd, Happy New Year! I'd love to hear about how you plan to celebrate. Come chat with me. I hope you're settling into the term. I've got a few more tips on how to be successful. So first, look up from your phone. I see you in the hallways, looking at TikTok, sending text messages, playing games. I want you to put your phones away and talk to other people. Find out, where are they from? How's their class going? What have they done for fun in Edmonton? Now, the second thing I'd like you to do is notice what's happening on main campus. There are different things every week, and I bet you'll find something that's interesting to you. Next week is Indigenous Week. So this is a joint event hosted by the Faculty of Native Studies and Students' Union. So check it out. There might be some food or a dance or some information that's interesting to you. Now, the third thing, as always, come to my workshops. I've got some special things planned this week to help you work on grammar, vocabulary, listening, reading, writing, and of course, talking to other people and having some fun. Speaking of fun, Vicky, what are we doing on Friday?
Our activity this week is Uno tournament in the SCC space. We will find out who is the best Uno player, and then the winner will get the special prize. So if you are interested, please sign up from the email on Tuesday.
Earlier, I talked about next week being Indigenous Week. If you look around the campus, you'll see Indigenous gathering spaces and Indigenous artifacts. The University of Alberta acknowledges that we are located on Treaty 6 territory and respects the histories, languages, and cultures of First Nations, Métis, Inuit, and all First Peoples of Canada, whose presence continues to enrich our vibrant community. Would you like some extra help with your reading this term? If so, let me know. We've got some volunteers from the United for Literacy organization. Trained volunteers will work with you one-on-one on Zoom to help improve your reading.
And this one!